Hey guys, LiteFinance just introduced this instant deposit and withdraw, and I'm going to be showing you how you can do that in a few seconds. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your finance. Underneath it, you see local deposit, you see TRC20, then you see bank transfer. So let's click on the bank transfer. Then you enter the amount you want to fund. Then you click continue. Then you click confirm. So this is the account number I'm going to pay. This is the account name, this is the bank code, and this is the bank name. So to do this is pretty simple. Open your bank app. My bank app is currently open now. All I need to do is to transfer the 20,000 naira. Let me go to my bank app. Account name. For you not to miss the number, it is advisable you just copy and paste the number. But since I'm using my mobile phone, I will first of all copy all the number out for me to be sure. So just copy. If you want to copy, this how you copy the number, then you paste it on your bank account. So I have successfully transferred the 20,000 in my account. So since I'm done now, all I need to do is to click on payment done. As you can see, the payment countdown is still counting down. So let me click on payment done since I have successfully transferred the money. Now you see that payment is being processed, and look at it instantly. My account has just been credited with 13.33 USD. So this is very beautiful, guys. So start using the instant deposit on LiteFinance and enjoy your fast deposit and withdraw transaction. Thank you very much for watching this video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to see any of the updates we'll be bringing from LiteFinance. Thank you very much.